Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, in the previous video we did the sounds of alphabets from A to I, right? And today we are going to do the sounds of alphabets from J to till O. Okay students, so without wasting any time, let's get started now. Alright students, which letter is this? Yes, right you are. It's J. J says j. J, jellyfish. J, jam. So in all these words, which sound is coming? J. Alright. So our next alphabet is K. K says K. What is the phonetic sound of K is? K. K, kite. K, kangaroo. So in all these words, which sound is coming? K. Alright. So the next letter is L. L says la. La. Lemon. Yes, so lemon. La. Lamp. So in all these words, which sound is coming? La. Alright. So our next letter is M. M says ma. Mama. Mango, mama, mother. So in all these words, which sound is coming? Ma. Okay, so the next letter is N. N says na. Na. Nightingale. Na. Nest. So in all these words, which sound is coming? Na. Alright, so our last letter of this video is O. O says O. What is the phonetic sound of O? O. O. Octopus. O. Orange. So in all these words, which sound is coming? O. Okay, students, I hope you understand this concept till here very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box so that I can help you out. And rest of the alphabets, I will bring you in the next video. Okay, students, till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.